Welcome to Pro Auto Reviews, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news, and expert insights. Before we dive into the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest cars. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is here, and it brings a bold new look, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed to compete with the best in the luxury sports car segment, the latest Vantage refines everything we love about Aston Martin while introducing modern upgrades that make it even more thrilling to drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Vantage packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, sourced from Mercedes-AMG, but fine-tuned by Aston Martin engineers to deliver an exhilarating experience. It now produces around 656 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, making it significantly more powerful than its predecessor. The power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. With a top speed of nearly 200 miles per hour, the Vantage remains one of the fastest Grand Tourers in its class. The exterior design has been refined with a wider stance, a more aggressive front grille, and updated LED headlights. The aerodynamics have been improved with a revised front splitter, larger air intakes, and a redesigned rear diffuser, enhancing both performance and stability at high speeds. Aston Martin has also introduced new lightweight alloy wheels, reducing unsprung mass for better handling. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Vantage boasts a completely redesigned interior with premium materials, a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, and a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a more intuitive interface and enhanced voice recognition. The seats are covered in fine leather with extensive customization options, ensuring both luxury and comfort. The updated center console features a more user-friendly layout, integrating physical buttons for essential controls while maintaining a modern aesthetic. In terms of driving dynamics, the Vantage features an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to different driving conditions, providing a perfect balance between comfort and agility. The steering is sharper, offering precise feedback, while the updated electronic limited slip differential improves traction and cornering stability. The braking system has been upgraded with carbon ceramic discs available as an option, ensuring exceptional stopping power. Aston Martin has also introduced new driving modes, including Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, allowing drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a racetrack, the Vantage delivers an engaging and responsive experience. With a starting price expected to be around $155,000, the 2025 Vantage is a strong competitor against rivals like the Porsche 911 Turbo and the Mercedes-AMG GT. It combines breathtaking design, raw performance, and state-of-the-art technology, making it one of the most exciting sports cars on the market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed car reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pro Auto Reviews. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video.